For the longest time, people have thought that black hair did not like water. It could not be further from the truth. Luckily, with the growing trend of going back natural and with books such as The Science of Black Hair, we know a little bit more about black hair and how to manage it and how to maintain length. So now many women know the crucial role of water in our daily routine and why we need to moisturize our hair with water every single day. So the topic today is to know how often should you wash your hair and how often should you moisturize your hair. For those who don't know me yet, my name is Kitoko and I've been a natural for the last 12 years, and in the span of those 12 years I've had 2 big chops and I have reached waist length, so I've had a lot of success and a lot of failures. I have tried many things and I am ready to share that with you and help you grow and maintain your natural hair. Going natural can be a very frustrating process if you don't know what you're doing, and there is a lot of information out there. So if you are a natural or are interested in going back to being natural and join millions of women who have said no to the creamy crack, click on the subscription button below to receive my videos every time they upload, and also click on the bell button next to it so you can get notification and you never miss an episode. For the longest time, we have thought that black hair simply doesn't like water. Remember those days when you were scared to go for a swim? Yeah, those are behind you, because guess what? Natural hair loves water. That's right. Natural hair loves water. Water is the most important thing you can actually put in your hair. So don't be afraid to get your hair wet. Natural hair loves it. And we know now that black hair is the weakest of all hair. Well, our hair is very dry by nature. It is the driest hair actually that there is on earth. Black hair is super dry. So it needs a lot of moisture. A lot of moisture. So when you take the structure of the hair, when you look at it, you have the outer layer, which is covered with cuticles, and those cuticles open and close. They are in motion all the time. And why does it happen? It happens so moisture can get inside the hair shaft, and they close so moisture can stay in there and keep your hair healthy. The thing with being natural and testing with so many products is that we layer our products on our hair. So after you wash your hair, what do? You put conditioner, and once you're done with that, what do? You put a leave-in conditioner or a styling product, and this is accumulating products in your hair and preventing it from getting further moisture. So if you wash your hair, let's say every other week or once a month, you are depriving your hair of essential moisture for that much time. Because think about it, once the products are layered on your hair, nothing is going to penetrate and get in there and replenish the moisture. The only way to get moisture again is to wash off the products so that your hair is clean and ready to get more moisture. Our cuticles are way more open than the cuticles on straight hair. So what's gonna happen is that the cuticle are gonna prevent moisture retention because they're open, they're not keeping the moisture inside. The moisture is gonna be released in the environment. But when we put products on our hair, what happens is that we have created a film, like a barrier around the hair shaft, so nothing can escape and nothing can get in. So the same applies for moisture. It cannot get in and it cannot get out. Once you have put your products on your hair, if you think that hydrating your hair every night after that is gonna be enough, not necessarily, depending on the ingredients that you've used. If you used natural oils to seal your hair, there is a possibility, yes, that can actually work. But if you used products that are heavy, heavy products that contain silicones, dimethicones and all those things, daily moisture is not enough. But because our hair is the driest, it's very important to replenish that moisture every day. And when we layer products and also sebum accumulation, which is the natural oil that the scalp produces, once you have all this, you have the products, you have the sebum, you have dead cells, you have dirt. This just pretty much closes everything. It suffocates the hair is not able to get more moisture, so the hair becomes drier and brittle. So what do? I wash my hair once a week. Now, I am not saying that I wash my hair once a week with shampoo. I wash my hair. There are other kinds of cleansers that are not necessarily shampoos and that don't necessarily contain drying ingredients such as sulfate. So the ideal will be to wash your hair with gentle shampoos that don't contain sulfate once a week. You can cleanse with other products such as clay, or you can use the no poo method, which is pretty much a method where you wash your hair with conditioner, not shampoo. But you still have to clarify and wash your hair with shampoo at least once a month. So I don't want to get you confused. You wash your hair once a week. That's going to be 4 times a month. And in those 4 times, there's going to be 1 time where you will wash thoroughly with a shampoo, preferably a gentle shampoo. And remember, the most important thing is to moisturize. It's moisture retention. Your moisturizing products should have a lot of water in it and other emollients such as glycerin, honey. And for those of you who use products that contain silicone, you unfortunately have to use stronger shampoos, shampoos that contain sulfate, because it's the only way to get rid of the silicone in your hair. So yes, black hair really loves water. It actually needs water. And why is that? Because black hair is the driest of all hair types and the weakest of all hair types. So we have to make sure that we are giving our curls some water. Get it wet, sister. And if you're using products that contain heavy silicones, I would suggest that you switch to more natural products so that you can give better chances to your hair to stay moisturized. This is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy you guys and I enjoy your support. If you like the video today, please click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell button for notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye.